Hello. Today we'll be looking at dictionary, continuation of dictionary data type in Python. And we're looking at part two of it. We'll make use of some methods and some drop down functions. So let's get started. First and foremost, I always do, you can get the dictionary, the methods in a data class using the data type, using the data type. See this. Then I have this, I have my dictionary, the methods I can use in the data type dictionary. So let me create a dictionary. I'll say data. I'll create it as a dictionary of two things. First, I'll have John. John is age 23. Sarah. Sarah is age 13. I also have Evelyn. Evelyn, which is age 32. So I have this as my dictionary. Now, the first thing I can use contains. Let me use, let me start from the first. I use data dot class. So what it tells me, new dictionary initiation by mapping objects. So when I do this, sorry, when I do this, I have it as empty because I did not supply any object. So I have data stayed there. If I had supplied an object, I should have initialized a new dictionary from as it will have initialized a new dictionary from the object that I supplied. Okay. Let me go to the contains. I have data dot contains. Now, what will this do? I'll supply a key to know if that key is in the dictionary. So what I'll supply is I'll supply John. It gives me true. It tells me that John is in the dictionary. But on the other case, when I supply, okay, I supply this, it tells me false. Why? Because remember, Python is case sensitive. So John capital J upper J and John lower J, they are not the same. Okay, I'll quickly let me jump to the get 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 a particular thing. So I say data dot get, sorry, data dot get. I want to get a particular key. It is different from the contains because contains will tell me true or false. It's a boolean. It returns a bool. It returns a bool. So which is either a true or a false. But get will return the value of a particular key that I'm supplying. So if I want the value of a key, I'll use the get. But if I want to check if a if I want to check if a key is in the dictionary without getting the value, I make use of the contains. But if I want to get value, I make use of the get. So quickly, let's do something else. Let's go to copy, pop, and pop item. Now, when I pop the last item in the dictionary. But with pop item, I can choose which item I want to pop, which item I want to pop by supplying the value to that item, the key to that item, and the value will be popped. So I'll make use of data dot pop. So sorry, data dot pop as to supply a key of the dictionary. If key is not found, D is returned. D is returned if given. Otherwise, key error is raised. So I have to supply a key. So the key I will supply is I'm supplying any key. I can supply any key. Let me supply John. When I supply John, the value will be returned and John will be taken out of the dictionary. You get that? But when I use pop item, it pops the last item in a particular list, in a particular dictionary, it pops it out, irrespective of the key. It pops it out. So I'll just do data dot pop item, data dot pop item, and what it takes out Evelyn, shows me the value, the key and the value in a tuple, and it takes it out totally from the dictionary. So I now have a dictionary with just one item. Or I want to add some other items to this dictionary. I can simply do this. I can simply do data. The key I want to add, the key I want to add, let me say Kelvin. Kelvin, the value, let me say 33. You see that Kevin is added. Kevin is added. Also, if I want to add another item, what will I do? If I want to add another item, I can simply use data dot data dot sorry data dot sorry not dot data ravine. So you see that this is added. Now, if we look at sorting, can a dictionary be sorted? Can a dictionary be sorted? Let's look at it. So I have data dot no, sorry sorted. Because actually in the methods, do we have sort? We don't have sort in the method. So let me use sorted data. It sorts, but only the values are sorted. It doesn't give me the key. Okay, let me do this data. See it? Okay, data dot search gives me an error. So how can we sort a dictionary? First, we bear in mind that a dictionary cannot is sorted using dot sort. It has no dot sort method or module. So in the next video, I'll show you how we can sort a dictionary. How to sort a dictionary. And that will take us back to the use of lambda, and to the use of the get items in the dictionary. Do have a nice day. And please subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and keep in touch for the next video. Thanks.